This medium is such a powerful medium and we can utilize it to spread some social message. That is the reason I have taken up this field, though I am an engineer by my qualification and profession. This romantic crime Kada is an upcoming film that we are planning to release this month. This is basically on the college life, and I wanted to deal about the student community, like what they can do for this society. And when I was told about this thalassemia issue, and when there is an appeal can be given to the student community, బ్లడ్ డొనేషన్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ని, ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పటివరకు చాలా మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ బ్లడ్ డొనేషన్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు. సమ్మర్ సీజన్ లో బ్లడ్ డొనేషన్ తక్కువగా ఉంటుంది, ఎందుకంటే బికాస్ స్టూడెంట్ పార్టిసిపేషన్ తక్కువగా ఉంటుంది అన్న ఒక ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ తెలిసిన తర్వాత I wanted to bring my artists also, Mr. Manoj and Gayatri, who acted as the main lead in my film. I really think such a wonderful activity happening over here. For చాలా ప్రివెంటివ్ స్టేజ్ లోనే క్యూర్ చేయగలిగే ఎన్నో డిసీజెస్ మన కంట్రీలో ఉన్నాయి. టేకింగ్ ఏ హై టూల్ ఆన్ ఇన్ఫాంట్ mortality బాగా పెరుగుతూ ఉండడం అదొక రీజన్ కూడా అయితే. And this is one issue that some time back Mr. Raja, artist and a good friend of mine, was telling about this topic to me, and I planned even to make a documentary to create awareness, because most of the people and parents are not aware of this concept. So the moment Mr. V.M. Rao told about this thalassemia, I just really wanted to be a part of this and wanted to share my concern towards that. When all of we can do something, we can make a difference. I think that we should take it as an opportunity to create that change. I appeal my friends, the student community and the young generation to come forward to do the blood donation and create maximum awareness about this disease and how to prevent this. And I am also a journalist, and I happen to run a newspaper in Visakhapatnam, and I know that media can do a powerful role in creating awareness about anything in the society. So I request my crew members also to to share their concern and appeal their friends to come forward to do the blood donation. Please, Mr. Manoj.